Hey, good morning. Can I ask you something?
Good morning. Of course. What's up?
What time did you wake up this morning?
Oh, don't ask me that. I woke up at 6:30. My alarm went off and I just didn't want to move.
6:30? That's early. I woke up at 7, and honestly, I hit snooze 3 times.
3 times? Ethan, come on.
I know, but my bed was so comfortable this morning. It felt impossible to get up.
I completely understand that feeling, especially in winter. The bed feels warmer, the room feels colder, and you just want to stay there forever.
Exactly. But okay, so after you turned off your alarm, what did you do first?
First thing I did, I grabbed my phone, which I know is bad, but I checked my messages, scrolled a little, then I finally got up.
Same. I always check my phone first. It's like a habit I can't break.
It's a very American habit. Okay, so after the phone, I went straight to the bathroom, washed my face, brushed my teeth.
Cold water or warm water in the morning?
Cold, always cold. Cold water wakes me up immediately. It's like a reset for my brain.
I cannot do cold water in the morning. I need warm water, warm shower, warm everything. I'm not a cold water person.
You are missing out, Ethan. Cold water is the secret to a good morning.
I'll take your word for it. So after the bathroom, did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I made oatmeal with some blueberries on top and a big cup of coffee. I cannot function without my morning coffee.
Oh, same. Coffee is everything. What kind of coffee do you make at home?
I use a French press. It takes a little more time, but the coffee tastes so much better. Strong, rich, perfect.
That sounds amazing. I just use a regular coffee maker. Quick and easy. I put it on before I even get in the shower.
Oh, that's smart. So by the time you're ready, the coffee is already done.
Exactly. Best feeling in the world. You walk out of the shower and the whole apartment smells like coffee.
That is the best smell, honestly. Coffee in the morning in a New York apartment, there is nothing better.
Right? Okay, so after breakfast, what's next in your morning routine?
After breakfast, I get dressed, which honestly takes longer than it should. I always stand in front of my closet for like 5 minutes just staring at my clothes.
Oh, I do the same thing every morning. I have plenty of clothes, but somehow nothing feels right.
It's a universal problem. But eventually I pick something, get dressed, put on a little makeup, and then I'm almost ready.
Almost?
Almost, because I always forget something. My keys, my water bottle, my headphones, there's always something.
Every single morning?
Every single morning. I'm not even exaggerating.
Okay, that makes me feel better because I do the same thing. I get to the door and then I go back for something. Keys, phone charger, coffee I forgot on the counter.
The coffee on the counter. That happens to me too. I put it down for 1 second and then I completely forget it.
New York mornings are chaotic.
They really are. But that's kind of what makes them exciting too, right?
That's true. Every morning in New York feels like the beginning of something. You step outside, you hear the city, the traffic, people walking fast, coffee shops already full.
The subway, the smell of the bakery on the corner, the guy selling newspapers on the street.
Exactly. It's loud, it's fast, but it's alive. And honestly, I wouldn't want my mornings any other way.
Same. Even when I wake up late, even when I forget my keys, even when the subway is delayed.
Which is every day.
Which is absolutely every single day. But still, there is something special about a New York morning.
There really is. Okay, let's review the vocabulary from this morning. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
First word, alarm. My alarm went off at 6:30.
An alarm is the sound that wakes you up in the morning. On your phone or a clock, the alarm goes off. You wake up.
Second word, snooze. I hit snooze 3 times this morning.
When you hit snooze, you turn off the alarm for a few more minutes. Then it rings again. Most people hit snooze at least once. Ethan hits it 3 times.
3 times, yes. Third word, routine. A morning routine is everything you do after you wake up.
Wash your face, brush your teeth,
make coffee, get dressed. That is your morning routine.
Fourth word, function. I cannot function without coffee.
Function means to work properly, to operate normally. Without coffee in the morning, Emma cannot function.
Very true. And fifth word, chaotic. New York mornings are chaotic.
Chaotic means very busy, loud, a little crazy, but also exciting. New York mornings are chaotic, and we love them anyway.
5 words, all from one real conversation. That is real English learning.
And now, your turn. Tell us about your morning routine in English right now.
What time do you wake up? Do you hit snooze? Do you drink coffee? Tell us in the comments right now.
We read every single comment, every one, and we reply, because this community is everything to us.
And if you want more real English conversations like this one, subscribe right now. 2 seconds, free, click the bell.
Every week, we bring you a new conversation, new vocabulary, new English from the streets of New York, just for you.
Because your English gets stronger every single day, one conversation at a time.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Ethan. Learn English Podcast, New York.
Keep going. You got this.
Bye for now.